In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste math equation from website in Word or PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be able to take a formula you find online and turn it into a clean, editable equation right inside your slide or document. First, open your browser and go to the page that shows the math you want to use. Carefully select the entire equation, including any special symbols, fractions, superscripts, and subscripts. Make sure you're selecting the text of the equation, not an image. Once it's highlighted, right-click and choose Copy or use the shortcut Control+C. Now open Microsoft PowerPoint. Everything I'm showing also works the same way in Microsoft Word. Navigate to the exact slide where you want the equation to appear so you can place it with precision. Next, insert a text box. Go to the Insert tab, choose Text Box, then click and drag to draw the box where you want the equation to live. Using a text box gives you more control over positioning, especially in slide layouts. In Word, you can paste directly into the document or into a text box, depending on your layout needs. Click inside the text box and paste the formula. You can right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. At this point, don't worry if it looks plain or a little messy. It will appear as regular text for now, and that's exactly what we want. Highlight the entire pasted formula, then press Alt+X on your keyboard. PowerPoint will automatically convert the selected text into an equation object. This is the key step that transforms your copied text into something you can format and edit with math tools. With the equation selected, look for the Equation tab that appears on the ribbon, click it, then choose Professional. This formatting option cleans up spacing, aligns elements properly, and renders fractions, roots, exponents, and symbols in a polished typeset style. From here, you can fine-tune the equation just like any other object. Resize it by dragging the corners, move it to the perfect spot on the slide, and adjust the font size or style to match your theme. If a character didn't convert as expected, click directly into the equation to edit it using the built-in math tools. That's the whole workflow. Copy, paste, Alt+Eals, then Professional. It's much faster and cleaner than rebuilding an equation from scratch. If this was helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick practical PowerPoint and Word tips. Thanks for watching.